We all want to have $1 million in our account. But here's the reality. Most people never get there, not because they can't, but because they never take the right steps. So today, I'm going to show you 6 powerful tips that have helped real people grow their wealth and hit that $1 million goal faster than they ever imagined. Step 1. Know where your money's going. You can't save what you can't see. If you don't have a budget, you have no idea how much you can actually save. Track every dollar. See where your money is leaking. Cut out the waste and redirect that cash into your future. Remember, UOS, your budget is the foundation of your $1 million plan. It's not about restriction. It's about direction. Step 2, let time do the heavy lifting. Time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start, the stronger your money grows. Thanks to compound interest. Think of it like rolling a snowball. At first, it's small and slow, but keep rolling, and it gets bigger, faster, and unstoppable. So don't wait until you have more money. Start now. Even if it's just a little, your future self will thank you. Step 3, use the right accounts. If you're in Canada, know the difference between your RRSP and TFSA. If you make more than about $55,000 a year, an RRSP is likely your best friend. Put $5,000 into your RRSP, and in a 30% tax bracket, you'll get about $1,500 back. But here's the trick. Don't spend that refund. Reinvest it. Put it back into your RRSP or TFSA, so your money keeps working for you. Remember, you work hard for your money, but your money should also be working hard for you. Step 4, use the First Home Savings Account, FHSA. If you're planning to buy a home, this is a game changer. The First Home Savings Account is a new tool that combines the best features of an RRSP and a TFSA. You can grow your money tax-free and get a deduction at the same time. If you qualify, start using it. It's one of the best ways to build wealth faster in Canada. Step 5, automate your savings. This one is huge. Set up automatic transfers into your savings or investment accounts every single month. Most people save what's left since. If anything, the wealthy do the opposite. They save first and spend what's left. Make saving automatic, and you'll build wealth on autopilot. Step 6, don't touch your investments. This is where most people fail. They pull money out of their investments for non-emergencies, vacations, cars, or impulse spending. Listen, once you break that compounding snowball, you set yourself back years. Only pull from your investments if it's a real emergency or a major purchase like a home. Create a separate fund for travel or extras, but leave your long-term savings alone. Your future self will thank you. $1 million might sound impossible, but it's not. If you follow these 6 steps consistently, you'll get there. Start with a budget, automate your savings, understand your accounts, and let time and discipline do the rest. Because this isn't just about money, it's about freedom. And the best time to start building it is right now. If you found this helpful, smash that like button each time and subscribe for more smart money tips to build your wealth faster. And drop a comment below. What's your biggest financial goal right now? I'd love to hear it.